to go and put the one through the walls, yes. Hello everybody, it's me, Game Jacker, and today I'm giving you the definitive beginner's guide to game jacking. For all of you that are like, oh, I am little Jimmy, I never use the game jack. I think it can do everything, give unlimited everything to me now. No, I'm sorry, little Jimmy. Today I'm going to explain to you exactly what is possible, what are the risks involved, how do game jacks work. We're gonna cover everything right now. So, first of all, what is a game jack? So, this is very important. A game jack is almost always, 99.9%, it's a download that you download onto your device. Doesn't matter, Android, iOS, PC, console, whatever. You download a software and it manipulates the game. This is the case for jacks, this is the game for bots, this is the game for mods. It's the case for 99.99% of all cheating methods. Some bots excluded, but other than that, no exclusions, okay? So these things that are online websites where you push a generator button and it gives you the everything, it's a scam. It doesn't work. It never works, okay? Don't try it, please. It's not how it works. It's not how it has ever worked. Which brings us to the second point. What is possible and what is impossible using the game jacks? Of course, little Jimmy, I think everything possible. Little Jimmy, you should head over to Google and you should just Google HackerBot and go to hackerbot.net to find actual cheats and learn how it works. Follow our beginner's guide, follow our wiki articles and learn everything. Learn the things. It's jack, therefore it's like magic. It's like magic in Middle Age. You just want, give everything now, yeah? No, little Jeremy, I'm sorry. The only way in games to get unlimited everything is to have unlimited real world money and spend it on the game. Because, and here's the thing guys, this is very important. These days, a lot of games, like most of the games that want to sell something to you, like a premium currency such as gems or diamonds or whatever they're called, they use game servers to store account information. Game servers are online servers. And as we have discussed before, a game jack is only able to manipulate data on your device. You download it to your device, it manipulates data on your device. So, server data cannot be manipulated. So, for all practical purposes, unlimited monies is not possible in games that use an internet connection, that needs the internet to function. However, there are alternative ways of doing things. If you just Google, for example, HackerBot, create bot, you will find our tutorial on how to create your own bot. So long story short, unlimited money is possible in single player games that don't require the internet. In online games, you might want to use a bot, okay? And again, you can learn how to create your own bots on hackerbot.net. Now, that is for what kinds of cheats are possible. Now, what are the risks involved? And this is also something that's important to know before you jump into the deep end and download all the files. There's always a risk involved when using files that you simply randomly find somewhere on the internet, okay? Especially if it's advertised to be some kind of cheat, okay? Be very careful. However, here at hackerbot.net, we help people find legitimate cheats. If you just go to Google and Google something random like Lord's mobile hack, you will find a lot of weird websites that advertise cheats that are impossible. This is an online game. Unlimited gems. If you want to download this, I wouldn't. 999 billion gems? Impossible. Unlimited everything. Impossible. Impossible. Do you really want to download these things? I probably wouldn't. So, which is why at hackerbot.net, we help people actually find legitimate cheats. Just go to hackerbot.net, just Google HackerBot or Google Game Hacks and go to hackerbot.net. Then you can go to our Hack Finder and there you can actually find legitimate cheats from legitimate providers that have been around, some of them for 15 years, and they have a proven track record of actually providing clean and working cheats for Android, iOS, PC, even consoles, the older ones. and bots and everything else. If you want to learn how to use this tool correctly, go to our download cheats section and follow the tutorial outlined over there. Anyways, guys, let's go back to the risks. Now, reducing the risk of downloading something fishy, use hackerbot.net. The chances of actually downloading something bad from our legitimate providers is very low. Of course, there can still get some fishy users onto those websites, but they will be usually very easily identified by having a low post count, low reputation, and people in the comments of such threats will warn you about the danger ahead. Now, fakes are also an obvious thing. We've just been over it. There's a lot of fakes. All the generators are fake. If you want to learn more about that, go to our wiki at hackerbot.net and you will have the article on fake cheats and verification scams. And please stay as far away as possible from any generator websites and any human verification. I don't even want to say the word. It gives me nausea just thinking about it. So bans are another risk factor. Of course, you can get banned for cheating in any game. Now, it's against the terms of service, it's against the terms of use, which means they can just ban your account if they want to. It's not a legal thing as in the police is gonna come. No, it's just they can ban your account. So be very careful. Try to use emulators and try to use secondary accounts to test cheating methods before you use them on your main account is how you counteract that. Scams, we've already talked about it. There's a bunch of scams out there. Whenever it's an online generator, whenever it's something that is not how cheating works, and it's something that's not possible at the things that we've discussed before. So if it's unlimited gems in an online game, it's a scam. And yeah, if it's an online generator, it's a scam. Because that's not how it works, and that's not something that's possible. So, yeah, and that goes hand in hand with impossible cheats. Legality, you do not have to worry about that unless you're in South Korea, as far as I know. I think that's the only country where politicians play enough video games to have taken legal steps against outlawing cheating in video games. So the rest of the world, don't worry too much about it unless you're making money and you're hurting people. So then how to use game cheats safely. Again, I've told you about using hackerbot.net and using our hack finder over at hackerbot.net. Just Google hackerbot, go to our hack finder to find legitimate downloads over there. And then you always want to make sure that the cheats that they're advertising are possible. The reputation of the person that's posting it is very important. Follow installation instructions correctly. Very important, especially for mobile cheats. If you don't do it correctly, it's not going to work. Use emulators and secondary accounts whenever possible. I've already covered that one. Keep in mind that paid software will on average be better and have better support and be more quickly updated. That's just the world we live in. If you pay, you get better quality. That's also the same thing for cheats. Not advertising anyone that's selling that stuff, but that's generally how it works. Use cheats responsibly. That's also something. Don't, little Jimmy, don't be a brick. But I want to go and do the everyone through the walls. Yes, little Jimmy, be responsible. If you do that, you will get banned from the game very quickly. So do not do the evil thing, okay? Join the light side. Anyways, guys, so that is how you do it. If you're ready, get over to hackerbot.net and start cheating today. This is the complete beginner's guide for all the newbies out there. If you've liked it, if you were little Jimmy and you now are not, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more of this, and I'll see you guys later on hackerbot.net. Game Jacker out.